day everyone. My project name is The Guessing Game. My name is John Paul Espantejo. Then my GitHub username is John Paul Montejo. And my city and country, my city is Nasugbu. Then my country is Philippines. And date today is November 30, 2024. So this is my code. My code is a simple code. First, I make a main class. Then I make the four methods: name, guess the word, guess the number, and guess the map. And lastly, the main choice. The guess the word method and guess the map is like the same but different categories. For the guess the word, it's like you're guessing the program language like Python or Java. For the guess the map, it is like guessing the cities in other countries like London or Paris. And in my guessing the number, it's different. This is guessing a random number and it has a level 1 to 3. Also in my guess the word and map, it has a clue for it to not to be able difficult to others to play. And these three games giving a random words and a random number. Also I import the random in my code. Then I use join, length, append, and is digit. So let's run my code. So this is the main choice. And let's choose the one. This is the guessing the program language. Then this is the clue. This is the attempts. So let's guess. It's a red diamond. I think it is a ruby. RUB. And if you type a wrong letter like I, it will display, oops, sorry, the letter I is not. But if you complete, this will display. Congratulations. Then let's run again. Guess the number. So this is the guess the number. It has a level 1 and 2 and 3. Easy, medium, and hard. Let's go in easy. So let's guess. Number range in 1 to 15. So let's guess 10. Too low. 12. Too high. I think it's 11. Yes, it's 11. If you type wrong, this will display, and this one, your attempt, will be minus. That's all. Thank you.